we got a meeting, an offsite meeting we're going to and everything else. And you need to check and make sure you're ready with the award that you're going to give out. And we have to remember that we have to be there at a certain time.
Yeah, what time do we have to be at the meeting tonight?
So the event will start at 6 p.m.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to check out the TOUCAN Connect Video Conference System 360.
And TOUCAN sent us this for the review.
All right, let's see what's inside the box. Ooh. Here it is. All right,
Wow.
Here you go.
All right, let's check it
Take
out
the
here.
wrapper
Let's
off.
see. Uh-oh, I think I pulled the cover off. Let's see. Here we go. Got that off. They got it nicely wrapped up. That's pretty cool. And there it is. Look at the size of that. It's huge. It's really cool. So, check it out.
Oh, it's got a
It's a
little
little
protective
cover because why?
Oh, to keep the cameras clean.
How many cameras?
Oh, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 cameras. I'm spinning it really fast. So 4 cameras, and on the top is, I'll take this off here a second.
Oh,
On the top are all the buttons and how it operates. So you can control it. So you can control the zoom, you can control what scene to have. We'll show you that when we go through and set it up. And it connects to Bluetooth if you want, power button, and then volume controls. So it's pretty cool. And the camera just plugs in. It's like a USB-C type connector, and it just fits on here. And boom.
So
yeah,
it's got
that's
4 cameras on top, and it's got this really nice speaker on the bottom.
And it has a built-in microphone, and it actually is directional, so it knows who's speaking, and then whichever camera the person speaking on is watching him shows.
That's cool.
That's pretty cool. So that's
All right,
they
so
give you there.
there's a bunch of cables and stuff in the box.
Well, the cables are critical because on the bottom of this thing, there is a bunch of connectors. So there's basically USB-C connector and a power connector.
All
So
right.
USB-C is to connect up to your computer, and it can be a PC or a Mac, doesn't matter. The power connector, so it's got a power supply for it. It even has a little doohickey here. Is that a technical term?
Yes, it is.
Okay, it's a doohickey whoa, I can't even say it this morning. Okay, technical term, but this is really kind of nice because if you just want to use this as a speakerphone and not use the cameras, you can take this and you can put it in the top, and then it looks nice, right? So that's
And
really
you could,
nice for it.
can't you also use the camera somewhere
Not
else?
in this model here. The other model they have, which has single camera, you can, but this one here, you cannot do that.
Oops.
Because the smarts, that's okay. It's because the smarts for the using the 4 cameras is built into this.
Oh, it's built into this.
So remember, there's no app for this. This is it. You plug this into your PC or Mac, just like you would any webcam and any speaker and microphone. So
So you
this
don't have
acts
to
as one.
install special software anymore.
No such special software.
really
it just
cool.
works with your
So you just launch your favorite
favorite program like Zoom.
So yeah, you just launch your favorite video conference program like Zoom or Teams or
Or I don't know what else. I don't think
FaceTime.
we've used any other one, have we?
no.
No. So that's it. So it's
So
pretty
you just
simple.
plug it in and it works right with that. You don't have to do anything else except select the camera.
Right. All right. Let's go off and install it and see how it works.
Cool. All right, so now we've got the system set up with our friend Nikki, and we're going to have a meeting, and we're going to show you how the system works.
And we're going to go through several modes, right? We're going to show the different scenes that you can get out of the camera.
Right, and we're going to do a Zoom meeting.
Okay. All right. So here we go. So right now we have it in the single screen, right? So it's whoever's speaking. So Valerie.
Hi, how are you?
Okay. So Valerie shows on the screen. And then Nikki.
Hi, this is Nikki.
And you see automatically it's switched. So there's 4 cameras on the 360, and whoever's speaking, they come into the screen in this particular mode. Now I'm going to change the mode. And now all 4 cameras on the 360 are working. And then as each person speaks, they'll take one of the 4 slots. So I'm in the top left.
And I'm in the other box.
You're the bottom left.
And I'm in a box on the screen.
And you're in the top right. Look at that. So it all automatically figures it out. And of course, we don't have anybody sitting over near the file cabinets. Okay, now I can switch it now. And now at the top, I have a 360 view of the whole room. So all of us are in here. And I'm on the left screen at the bottom. And if someone else speaks, they should show up on the right screen.
Hi, how are you?
So Valerie took over that screen, and then Nikki.
Hi, this is Nikki.
And Nikki took over the other screen. Oh, gee, you bumped Valerie. Holy cow. Okay, so now let's see. One more mode. Do we do 3 or do we do 4? Let's see. Okay, now this one here is 180 and 180. So top and bottom, two 180 screens, and you can see all of us in the screen. So I'm on the bottom, and in the mysterious person that's not, it's a file cabinet. I guess that's the camera. It shows up on the bottom, and then Nikki and Valerie show up on the top.
So we're in the top.
Yeah, so that's it. And so those are all the different modes you have with the 360 camera. Okay, so the other thing you can do is in certain modes, you can actually do a zoom. So I'm going to zoom me in this particular mode, and I hit the zoom again. And that's it. So only 3 levels of zoom that you can do, and that's how it works.
So what time is dinner tonight?
Dinner's at 6 p.m.
Okay, great.
All right, so then I think if we leave in a few minutes, we'll be okay.
Okay, sounds good.
Now, what's interesting here is what we're noticing is that my fan on my laptop is going, and it's actually triggering the microphone. So when I had the microphone and the speakerphone, I should say, in front of my computer, if Valerie starts talking, so Valerie say something.
Hi, what time do we have to be at dinner tonight?
So she didn't even get picked up. It's still thinking I'm talking. So speak a little louder.
What time do we have to be at dinner tonight?
Still not picking it up. So I think this is something new. Oh, there she goes. She just came up. I think this is something that, obviously with this thing, you got to be careful in the conference room. We're kind of in a small table. But obviously, if you got fans going, it does seem to have an impact on this thing. Okay, so that's the TOUCAN Connect 360 video conferencing system. Thank you for watching. Thank you.